Hi guys, let's understand question 12. Find dy by dx if y is equal to 12 into 1 minus cos t and x is equal to 10 into t minus sin t, where t is greater than minus pi by 2 and less than pi by 2. The answer is, given equations are y is equal to 12 into 1 minus cos t, x is equal to 10 into t minus sin t, and dx by dt is equal to d of 10 into t minus sin t upon dt is equal to 10 minus 10 of cos t. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt is equal to 12 sin t upon 10 into 1 minus cos t is equal to 6 by 5 into 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2 upon 2 sin square t by 2 is equal to 6 by 5 cos t by 2 upon sin t by 2. Since sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x and 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x, dy by dx is equal to 6 by 5 cot t by 2. Therefore, differentiation with respect to x is 6 by 5 cot t by 2.